Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you know, we've always kept a close eye on the non-mainstream smartphone market, looking for odd devices that break away from our imagination. Recently, a brand called Hafuri reached out to us, and they are launching a new smartphone, the Hafuri Meet, which just also caught our attention. The phone is aimed squarely on the female market and is equipped with the MTK G99 chipset and running Android 13. So at first we thought, well, okay, another budget model. However, when we saw the picture, it just blew our minds with this look. At first glance, it strongly reminded us of a certain flagship models from other well-known brands. It's just so much alike. But it's just housing a G99 and definitely is at a budget level. Then we start being curious how far they go with the familiar look and design. And Hafuri seems pretty confident in this new phone, so without further ado, we decided to do an unboxing and quick hands-on. And let's check out what's customization included for female users. So this is Hafuri Meet. The gift box does give me a whiff of a delicate gift style for ladies. Open the box and you will feel the brand's marketing and what they want to say to their users. Alright, just put the paper aside, and now it's time to show you how exactly the phone looks. Indeed, it really does look much like a camera flagship for 2024, and I even can guess the models it's referencing. What's even more interesting is that it not just looks like, but also feels like a flagship. The build quality is also far beyond what a G99 phone can offer. Now leave the phone alone and let's see what other accessories are included. First is a back kit, so the fancy phone case underneath is actually made of PU material, which feels like some kind of a leather. Inside the little box is a strap that can attach to the case and make a satchel or bag decoration for girls' outfits. That's not bad, we can have it for free. Meanwhile, I found it's not just a fancy decoration. Did you notice that it comes with a little pocket? It's kind of practical that users can put a sort of coins and cards inside. And there's even a small mirror on top of it. It's probably convenient for female users to touch up their makeup without pulling out their mirrors. Even I know it could save a lot of time. It also doubles as a phone holder when opening the lid. So by far, I would say the free phone case could be the best gift of the whole package. Let's take a look at the other accessories. There are 3 boxes at the bottom. First, open the big one on the right. Oops, another regular phone case. It's made of a transparent PC material without any fancy design, so the brand gives another option here. And of course, there are the quick guides and the compliance regulations in the box. The other 2 boxes on the left are a 33-watt PD charger and a C2C cable. By the way, the phone does support 33-watt fast charging. The brand has clearly put more thought into these accessories than other custom phones. You can see they've also been presented in the same light blue color. That's good. After all, some big brands even only go through with a white brick for their custom phones chargers. And these chargers also support wider charging protocols than the other included chargers. Now I kind of believe that if someone wants to buy this phone, one of the reasons must be for the gift box and what's inside. Now looking back at the phone, to be honest, it feels complicated when truly holding the phone in hand. On the one hand, I won't shy away from its potentially controversial look. We've seen too many limitations of iPhone's look before, but in the last 2 years, it seems to be a trend that this design is like doing its best to resemble a professional camera. For the Hafuri Meet, what really surprised me was that they took that look and put it on an affordable phone. Apart from the performance, most specs even are decent, like the OLED 1080p edge curved display with a 120Hz refresh rate, an on-screen fingerprint reader, a 5100 mAh large battery with 33-watt fast charge, a 32-megapixel front camera, a 100-megapixel main camera, plus another 16-megapixel wide-angle camera. And the camera system also features a 1N LED flashlight. Other bonus features like NFC and dual SIM card slots are also supported. If not playing heavy games, I might even be tricked into overpricing it by its looks and the smooth display. The G99 chipset is a popular option among affordable models. Its performance is not stellar, but fortunately, the effective power output has been verified on most affordable models, so I won't go into detail here. As for the cameras, later I will show some photos and you can check out the samples we showed here. Overall, it's not as great as the camera islands looks. So that's our unboxing and the first impression about the Hafuri Meet. The phone is expected to be debuted for $219 with another $10 off for the first 500 extra. That means you can probably pick it up for $209. And now there's a giveaway running on their official store. Just make sure you know that if you're interested in the gift set. I will put the link down below. Just check it out by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you soon.